Justine here from artbehaviour.com and welcome to our helpful hues for children's emotions. Today we're looking at what are comforting colors for children. Now generally children will gravitate to the colors that are comforting for themselves if you put the colors out there. But if you're wanting them just to seek comfort, it all depends on what they're going through emotionally. So if they're feeling that they're wanting a bit of nurturing and they feel that they're missing a bit of that nurturing, they're going to tend to go for your orange colors. If they're feeling that they're wanting a bit of protection because they're feeling overwhelmed, they're going to generally gravitate to the reds. If they're feeling like they're wanting to actually just have their space and time and their mind be a bit clear and just get out of being overwhelmed, then they're going to generally gravitate to their greens and blues. So it all depends what your child is wanting at the time.